Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Naquan Jordan, the AI protagonist, and in this video we're going to be doing some professional logo designs with Leonardo AI. So as you can see, I use Leonardo AI to create some logos. This was for my affiliate toolkit product. I tried a bunch of different designs, different styles, and you can see that the logos came out very well. And they actually spelled affiliate toolkit, which is really nice to see that Leonardo Phoenix is really good when it comes to text. And you can see all the different styles all had the text actually looking good, actually spelled out correctly. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to use a fictional AI company. It's going to be like I guess an AI software company, and I'll say, alright, so I typed in for my prompt logo design for an AI software company with the words think AI. Now here are the settings that we're going to be using. It's going to be Leonardo Phoenix. We will use a prompt enhance. I don't know if this is available for free members, but I'll be using this just to make the prompt a little bit prettier. We're going to go with the graphic design vector. We will try out different styles, leave the contrast on medium, and we're going to go with quality generation rather than fast. Here are the image dimensions. I do want a kind of a long one, as you see in all these other ones here, and we're going to generate 8 images. Everything else I kind of just left alone, didn't change anything. And so let's generate and see what we get for our first batch of images. Alright, and here are the results. So you can see with the prompt that it actually added a whole lot more to the prompt, made it way longer than what I typed in. You can probably just copy this prompt and make some changes. Like if I wanted to change the actual fonts, I would put in whatever I want the font to be there. But here are the results. So you can see not all of them was spelled correctly. This one added an extra A. But this one looks good, think AI. Now I didn't put anything like any kind of objects or anything, so it just pulled this out itself and came up with the little A. But these all do look really good. So let's try, let's take a look at this last one. So let's try changing to a different design. This time we're going to go with dynamic. And we're going to keep everything the same and see how that one looks. And here is the next batch of images. Now I do really like these. Some of them, the spelling did not come out too well. This one added a 4 in there. I guess that might have been like an A. Just actually not bad if you want to do something stylized, but I'd have to come up with a reason for that 4 in there. But yeah, this one looks really cool. This down here at the bottom doesn't really make any sense, AIware software, but this and this does look really good. I do like the either talk bubble or think bubble and then AI in the middle, and it's got a little bit of circuitry as well. And here is, we have the bubble again with the circuitry in it. This time the think AI, it's spelled correctly. The T is a little weird, but this is something that you could roll with. I don't really like the angle, so I'd have to regenerate this to create a different angle. This one as well looks like a lot of them have this little thought bubble with the text in it, but these do look really good. I could make some small changes to the prompt to maybe get some better stuff. This one kind of just created some random stuff in front of the AI, but everything else looks really good on it. So I would have to actually be more precise with the prompt so that it's not angled like this, because obviously if you're creating a logo, you want it to be more like this, where it's something that you can grab and actually remove the background from and put it wherever you want. But these do look really good. So I'm going to try, this time I'm going to do no presets, and I'm not going to make any changes to the prompt yet. I'm going to keep it going but after the next one, I will add some actual direction. And here is the next set of images. And so similar to the dynamic ones, they aren't angled, but I do like the actual images that it's coming up with. So this is a really good way for me to actually come up with my own logo. Now that I've seen the ideas that the AI has, and oh man, this one looks cool. It's got an extra eye there, which I don't like. But I really like the way this looks. It almost looks like something you would see on the wall or in the hallway at an actual office. It looks really good. But these are really, really nice ideas to really get the brain going so that I can come up with my own. And so now I'm going to kind of take this and guide it a little bit better. So I will change the prompt a little bit. Okay, so I've made some changes to the prompt. This time I put thought bubble style logo design for an AI software company with the words Think AI. And we're going to try the minimalist preset style. And I am going to keep the prompt enhance on, and we'll generate 8 more images to see what that looks like. And here is the minimalistic designs, and these look really good as well. Like, you can definitely see these in a technology company, similar logos to this. And so this one's a little weird, but I can definitely still see it working. I especially like the way the AI looks in that one. And of course, you can just regenerate any of these images. This one, I really like this one. This one's really good. This one's good as well. I love the way that it does have the thought bubble and just Think AI. Good minimalistic. This one very similar, just different coloring. Same thing there. They did play a little bit with the K in that one. I do like the text though. It's very inventive. And then the last one, similar to the others, I do like the little bit that they did with the T. And so I'm going to keep this, and now I'm going to try a different style, and then we'll generate some more. And here is the last set that we're going to take a look at. So this time I changed it to the graphic design vector, and you can see it's similar design. It's got the thought bubble and it's got Think AI. This time they added software on the inside. I do like the way it looks. There's a very three-dimensional look to it. The software would have to actually regenerate that to make it look like an actual word, but everything else looks really good. This one added an extra eye to the Think AI, but besides that, everything looks good on that one. And you can see all of these look three-dimensional. This one, Think AI software, it's actually not bad. The software looks like it might be a little uneven, so I would have to regenerate this, but everything else looks really good. This one, very minimalistic, and actually it looks like it's still loading. It looks a little blurry, but you can see that it's just a Think AI with the thought bubble around it. And it looks like the rest of these are still loading as well. So that is really easy, as you can see, to create logos. Even if you don't really have an idea of what you want to do with your logo, just putting it in here and playing around and seeing what the AI comes up with, that will be enough to guide you towards actually figuring out what you want to do for your own logo. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Now, if you are a free member, so I think you only have like maybe 100 or 150 credits a day on Leonardo AI, but you can actually just, go a little bit lower. Like, you could change it to four images, change the generation mode to fast, and you can see that only takes up 24 credits with the generation. So you can play around a little bit. You can actually make it smaller. Now that only takes up 16 credits. And so you can really play around to take up less credits if you don't want to use up your daily maximum so quickly as a free member. But I think everything else is available to free members. So you can hop in here, create a logo for free, and then if you actually like your results, you can go ahead and upgrade. It's actually really cheap. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.
Some kind of butterfly.